guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a girl lady in the dark with happenings in Jamaica. Dashell Enway, 25-year-old farm worker of Romantical Close, Lariston, Spanish Town, was shot and killed by unknown assailant in the community. The police are reporting that an autopsy has concluded that Reverend Orville Moore, Deputy Commissioner of Department of Correctional Service, died of strangulation. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey today said that the investigation is ongoing.
So they would actually cut down, it was actually cut to remove the body. So he was hanging from a tree when you found him? Yes. Close to the vehicle. And do you suspect foul play or was this death by suicide? What are we theorizing? Based on what you see? The point is that, as we indicated in our initial release, that we have no reason to suspect any foul play. We had our accident reconstruction individuals who went and did their assessment and their work, and based on what they indicated that the car was airborne and then fell, which suggests that it was going at a very fast speed. We, based on our investigation, and we have had sight of the late Reverend Rowe en route to where he was found at a different time and location, and there was no evidence that there was anyone else in the vehicle with him. All I'm saying is that we have not, as an investigative body, seen any indication or evidence to suspect foul play. And we have no evidence that there was any third party involved. So if you could just help us in understanding what you're theorizing so far in terms of the sequence of events. So the car went off the road. Yes. And then it landed where the road is, yes? Yes. And what happened from there? He would have exited the vehicle and then committed an act? That's what we have theorized from the get-go, based on our assessment and what our investigator theorized based on what they saw. So the vehicle would have plunged over the precipice? So the vehicle actually fell on its four wheels. It never turned over. I think there was a damage to a section like one of the side door glass. The other side, based on what I've told, was intact. So it's like the vehicle just fell flat on the four tires. Based on what we saw, the sighting that we saw, he had on the seatbelt at all times. There are some other things that I will not get into that caused us to come to that theory that there was no foul play suspected. So in other words, he took his own life? What I will say is that we don't think there was any third party involved. And we are very open in our investigation. We continue, and we are appealing to the public if they have any information at all whatsoever. In the public? Call the numbers.
Police investigation have video footage of slain 8-year-old Daniel Rowe in the company of a woman in an area close to where she was found with her throat slashed. Deputy Commissioner Fitz Bailey. An elderly man was shot multiple times and his body set on fire by gunmen on Sunday morning in Montego Bay. The deceased has been identified as Tony Allen of New Road in Cambridge in St. James. It is reported that about 3 a.m., men armed with M16 rifle drove to a section of Railway Lane in downtown Montego Bay and then walked into a yard along Dean's Lane where Allen was staying with family. They then fired multiple shots and set the house ablaze. Gunmen attacked the Witton police station in Westmoreland on Sunday night around 11:40 p.m. It's reported that cops were on duty when they were alerted by the bark of dogs on the compound and went to make checks. It's reported that two men pointed guns at them and a shootout followed. The men reportedly fled from the scene and escaped in a Toyota Voxy motor car. Thank you so much for tuning into Happenings in Jamaica.